Hi everyone, my name is Carson Anyway here on YouTube. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new, hello, welcome. Thank you for checking me out. I did this blue look because I don't usually use blue that often, and I really do love this blue lip palette by Jeffree whenever I do get to use it, and I wish more brands would have color ranges like this in this palette, literally like a blue palette and other colorful palettes like they do, even though I don't personally like him as a person. I love their formulas and everything because they are very good, but I wanted to do this today. I'm not going to be filming my bases anymore. With this one, I kind of just did a no makeup base, which involved using this Alleyoop's stacks, and it's in Sassy Pants. So this is my contour, this is my blush, and this is my highlight. And then I added some of my Fenty highlight that I normally use over top, and that's kind of what I did. So if you guys are interested in this look, keep watching this video and let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Carson Anyway here on YouTube. Thank you for clicking on this video. I wanted to come back with another makeup look, and I wanted to do a look that I don't normally do, or I do very rarely, using blue eyeshadow. Even though I really love the result of blue or like greens and stuff like that, I don't really get to use them that much or choose to use them as often as I really want to, just because I have to, you know, sit down and really focus on it and do it. And especially if I have somewhere to go, can't really do it, so I have to make sure it's time where I'm just chilling and I have the time to just sit down and play with makeup. So this is kind of what was happening. I was just sitting down, playing with makeup, trying to see what I wanted to do, the look I wanted to do. This is a new version of what I'm doing. Is I'm not showing my base routine because my base routine is the exact same way as it always is. But if you guys don't like that and you do want me to show you the routine that I do for my base, let me know down in the comments below. I can still include it if you guys want me to. I can bring it back. So I'm using the blue lip palette from Jeffree because it has a lot of blues in it and they're very beautiful. So I kind of want to just do like a pretty simple blue look, very like bright blue look, and that's kind of what it ended up being. I loved how this turned out. I always love how blues bring out my eyes because I have blue eyes. I have bluish green eyes, but I always love how they turn out and it always looks very pretty. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys use blue or if there's a color that you kind of stay away from. If there's a color you probably stay away from, you should probably try it. Why not? If it's makeup, it will wash off. If you don't like it, especially. Let me know any looks you guys want me to do. Put it down in the comments below. Check out my other videos. So I hope you guys found this entertaining to watch, inspirational to do a similar look or anything of a different color. That's my dog Lincoln. He just woke up from now. But if you guys are inspired to do different color looks just like I was, using a random palette that I have that I don't really get to use, I'll probably be doing a lot more looks like this in the near future. but hopefully you got inspiration to do similar things. It's always fun to do it. And yeah, so go check out the rest of my videos. Give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell notification, and go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, as long as TikTok is still running, at Aesthetics by Carson. I'll put it on the screen. And go check out anything else I have, any other social medias or channels that I have. Let me know some of the looks you guys want me to possibly try out, or palettes or products in general that you guys want me to try, and see what I would say as a honest review to them. Everything I use is always linked down below in the description. No matter what video you look at, whether it's a nail video, gonna be waxing video, any makeup video, literally any videos that I post, I always have everything I use in order down below in the description. So if you're curious, just go look down there. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video, but until then, I hope you're having a wonderful day, night, morning, whenever this video reaches you, and I will see you in the next one.